Good morning, Anishinaabe students. I noticed that yesterday some of you had a hard time with Mr. Dan Has a Plan and reading all 8 pages of it. So I decided to back it up a little bit and we can go over it piece by piece so that you are, because I know you have this. These are short A words, and I know that you can do this. I believe in you, but you have to believe in yourself to do the work. But I also think that I need to teach it better. So we are going to go over the words on the first page, and then I would like you to read the first page and record yourself reading it after you practice reading it. Okay, so here we go. We have exactly 8 words to learn, okay? Not too many. Okay, this first word is can. It is a short A word, and we know it's short A because it's closed, right? And we can sound it out. K, a, n, can. Now you do it. K, a, n. This next word right here starts with a D. It's very similar to can. So really all we have to do is change out the first sound. D, a, n. Dan. D, a, n. Dan. Those are the 3 sounds that you would need to learn to read that word. This word is Mr. In the picture, it's slightly cut off, and I apologize for that. But this is an M, and M plus R with a period after it is Mr. It is the title. So Mr. Dan is, Mr. is his name because he's a man. So that's why we call him Mr. All right, so here we go. This word here is we. It's a sight word or a heart word. Okay, it's open, so the E is long. We. This word is also a heart word. It is go. The O is long. It says its name. Go. This word is a short A word. It's a sight word or a heart word. Has. H, a, and then the S has a Z sound. So has. This one is a heart word. You have to remember it. The only thing that is different is that the S says a Z sound. So that's really the only thing. Everything else is the same. Let's see. This word is a short A word. Let's do the sounds together. G, z. Rags. Let's do it again. G, z. Rags. This word is another short A word, and it is similar to can and Dan. It rhymes with can and Dan. Let's sound that one out. Plan. Plan. When you are reading, you can easily segment those words if you're having a hard time remembering what they are. But the more you practice or the more times that you read it, the better you're going to get at it. So let's read through these words really quickly one time before I go and you go and read your first page. Okay, I'm not going to segment them. I'm just going to read them fast. You read them along with me. See if you can beat me. Can, Dan, Mr., we, go, has, rags, and plan. Okay, well, good luck. I can't wait to hear your responses. And when you read that first page, good luck. I know you can do this. I know that you can learn how to read. You just need practice. Talk to you later. Bye.